Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're looking at something from Google that might just change the game when it comes to AI and automation. It's called Opal, and if you listen to the early feedback, this could be the tool that finally delivers on that big promise of making our lives a whole lot simpler.
All right, so let's just jump right in. We need to start by talking about a problem that I'm sure feels familiar to a lot of you. You know how we've been promised for ages that AI is going to automate everything for us? Well, the reality has been kind of messy, hasn't it?
Right? We keep hearing about how AI will make everything effortless, but actually using it often feels like you have to become a professional digital juggler. You're bouncing between different apps, copying and pasting from one window to another, trying to get all these powerful but super complicated tools to work together. It's just not as simple as it sounds. And this slide just nails it. Think about writing a simple blog post. The old way, which is, well, right now, means you're using one tool like ChatGPT for the text, then you jump over to Midjourney for the images, maybe another app for research. It's all over the place. The whole idea behind the Opal way is to take all of that and just crush it down into one single, easy workflow. Okay, so that's the problem. Now let's talk about the solution that's got everybody so hyped up. This is Google's experimental answer to all that complexity, and it's called Opal. So what is Google Opal? Well, here's the most important thing to get. It is not just another AI app. No, it's a tool for building your own AI apps. Think of it like this. They're handing you a box of superpowered digital Lego blocks. Each block is a different AI, and you get to snap them together however you want without writing a single line of code. And you can just feel the excitement in this quote from an early user. This isn't just marketing fluff. Change the entire paradigm. That's a huge statement, right? We're not just talking about a slightly better tool, but a whole new way of thinking about how we get work done.
Okay, so that all sounds great, but how does it actually work? Let's walk through a perfect example that's already built and waiting in Opal's gallery, the automated blog post writer.
It's so simple, it's almost kind of wild. Step 1, you just type in a topic. That's it. For step 2, the AI just takes over. It does the deep research online, it writes the article, it even makes a banner image for you. And then step 3, boom. In about 2 minutes, you've got a finished blog post.
So the secret sauce here, the magic behind it all, is this really simple idea of blocks. Every little app you build in Opal uses 3 types. You've got your input block, that's where you feed it information. Then you have the generate block, where all the AI heavy lifting happens. And finally, the output block, which is just the finished product. And this is where it gets really fun. That generate block is basically your AI toy box. I mean, look at this. You can pull in Google's best models. You need text? Grab Gemini. Need some serious research? There's a block for that. You want images, audio, video, even music? You just drag and drop the blocks you need and connect the dots. But here's the thing. It's not all just for work stuff like blog posts. This can be for your everyday life too. I mean, check this out. Another example they built is a personal AI stylist. So here's how this works. You tell it your city, say Seoul, and your style preference may be comfortable. But this is the really cool part. The app then goes out onto the internet and checks the live, real-time weather report for Seoul. Then it combines all of that to give you a personalized outfit idea, complete with a picture. How cool is that? So when you put all of this together, this simple interface, these incredibly powerful AI models, what does it all really mean? Well, it means you're not just using a tool anymore. You're basically being handed the keys to your own personal AI factory. And this, right here, is the biggest idea of all. This is the fundamental shift. With tools like Opal, you stop being just a passive user of AI, and you become an active creator of your own AI tools. You get to build your own little solutions for whatever problems you have. And the best part? They make it super easy to get started. You don't have to stare at a blank screen wondering what to do. You can just browse a gallery of apps other people have made, and if you see one you like, you just hit Remix. It makes a copy that's all yours to tweak, to learn from, and to make your own. So, that's the thought we want to leave you with. Really think about it. If you could create one tiny AI app to fix one annoying thing in your life, what would it be? Would it plan your meals for the week? Would it summarize all your boring work emails? Because with tools like Opal coming, that idea, it might not just be an idea for much longer. You might actually be able to build it.